Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. First off, I want to thank all my backers. Right now it's 84 backers I have, and a few withdraw their pledges. I don't know why, and I'm sure if I write and ask I will not get an answer. So anyway, I wanted to show you another update on my, of course, MagScroll. And this is a black and silver, my phone is shaking, black and silver combination. And since a few people asked about the LEDs, the NeoPixels, this is a version with no LEDs, but you can turn them on if you like by tapping it. And I think, yes, you can see it. This one has a slow breathing animation in white. I figured it will go with the silver knob. And to turn it off, you double tap. Simple as that. You can have it on, off. You could technically always also have, like on this one, the turning animation. This one does not have it. It's either on or off. Obviously, this will also go for the volume knob. Here I have it, as you can see, on the scroll. And so anything is possible as long as you can edit the code yourself. I will of course upload all the different codes I have as a hex file, so you can use that program that I showed before in the video to simply change the function of the MagScroll, or like some people did, buy 2 or 3 of them, or even more. I'm not sure if you can pledge twice, so if you want more than 3, if you can pledge for 3 and then for a single unit. I don't know that, but you can try if you want more. And this is it. If LEDs are too much for you, turn them off. Simple as that. Or turn them off at night if it bothers you during the nighttime, because even though they're pretty dim, they're still at night bright. So this is it, as simple as that. If you have any other questions, some people did have asked questions and I did answer them, of course. And I can't really think of anything else right now. I'm sure as soon as I hit the stop button, I will think of something. But anyway, so simple scrolling with LED, without LED. You can have it your own way. Of course, different color, animation, or whatever. So thanks for watching, and please, if you have not checked my Kickstarter out yet with all the explanations, please do, link in the description. And if you think somebody else would like it, please let them know and share the link to this video or the link to my Kickstarter campaign. Thank you very much and take care everybody. Till later.